A great method you can utilize to come up with tons of new content ideas for your website is to review your competitors and see what they are writing about. This is a very simple but yet powerful method, as your competitors will already have done the heavy lifting for you. They would have done all the keyword research to find new keyword topics, things you can write about. You simply have to go over to the website, see what they wrote about, and simply cherry pick which ones you want to write about on your website. So if we put the yoga mat keywords to the side now and focus on another keyword such as wireless headphones, I'll show you exactly how we can find tons of content ideas for this keyword. So the first thing I need to do is find some websites I'm competing with, which is pretty straightforward. Just go over to Google, enter your keyword, and the websites you see on page 1 are essentially the websites you're competing with. So I've typed in wireless headphones. You've got some ads at the top of the page, so let's scroll down. See, we've got Curry's up there, we've got Tech Radar, we've got What Hi-Fi. So I've already opened these two websites in another tab, so let's just refresh. I've typed in wireless headphones. I'm now going over to our competitors' website to see what they are writing about. So if I go on Tech Radar, I actually went over to the search menu at the top and I simply just typed in headphones, as you can see here, search results for headphones. So if we scroll down, we can see we have tons of different articles we can write about. We have best noise cancelling headphones. We have best over-ear headphones. Best cheap headphones, your guide to the best budget headphones. Tons and tons of ideas. We've got best headphones 2020. Tons and tons of ideas. So as you can see, within a couple of seconds, I already have potentially 4 or 5 different articles I can all write about. It's even better if we look at another website. Let's look at what Hi-Fi has to offer. Again, I've simply gone onto the website, I've clicked search, and I've typed in headphones, as you can see here. Search results for headphones. I've got best AKG headphones. I've got best headphones on Amazon. Best B&O headphones. Best headphones for running, which is actually a really good keyword. Best wireless headphones. You've got best sport headphones. So tons and tons of ideas. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel and sitting there and brainstorming for hours and hours, just checking out what your competitors are doing is actually a really smart and efficient way to find tons of ideas you can write about for your website. In the next video, I'm going to show you another strategy you can utilize to find tons of content ideas for your website. I'll see you there.